Hey guys, this is Thomas Ott for NeuralMarketTrends.com, as well as ThomasOtt.io and North Point Intelligence, and even more now, QR Pulse. But we'll get to all that. I'm just gonna create a bunch of videos, mostly for myself as well, mostly to keep my accountability and track what I've been working on, because as life would have it, in this crazy startup world, things changed for me again. It's okay. It's fine. I'm currently now a founder at North Point Intelligence, which is my little LLC where I run all kinds of cool startup ideas and advisory stuff. But we can talk about that in a completely different time in the future. So why am I back on NeuralMarketTrends.com? Well, a couple of reasons. One, it's like going back to the beginning. It's where I had my start. I never knew that creating those RapidMiner, or I guess they were Yale videos from like 2008, 2007, 2006, would ever really change my personal career. It caused me to pivot into AI, into machine learning, into data science, into the startup realm, and it has been a wild ride. And I'm so thankful to a lot of you who were my original readers and my original followers on YouTube. You gave me the inspiration, and of course my lovely wife supported me when I made the choice to leave civil engineering and join the startup world. And it has been a wild and also sometimes chaotic ride. There's no doubt about that. But it's been so life-altering and so fulfilling, and I met so many awesome people. I've learned so much, and to me, that's winning in life. I was able to, yeah, sure, I made more money, of course, and got to go to fancy dinners and all that, but for me, it was the people. For me, it was meeting the Kaggle grandmasters, learning from them, working side by side and building products. For me, it was getting to work with the RapidMiner team, all those years ago, and do good work. And of course, until just recently, working at Worldwide Technology, where I met so many awesome people that in cybersecurity and networking and high performance computing. Man, one of the best conferences I went to was not only just GTC with NVIDIA, but also the supercompute with the high performance computing, and meeting all the various college teams and doing great things. So there's a lot of wonderful things that I owe my life to, coming back to Neural Market Trends, coming back to this website, to this YouTube channel. And I'm going to bring you along for another ride. I'm going to restart something new, and I'm going to do something amazing. And I want you all to be a part of it again too, as I become my own startup, as I build some new stuff, and I bring you along for the journey. So stay tuned. Drop a subscription. Come along for the ride. We're going to talk about vibe coding. We're going to build stuff. We're going to build applications. We're going to set up GitHub, and we're going to do workflows, and we're going to do engineering, and we're going to do some research. And I'm going to have a couple of cool people join me along the way. One of them is one of my new friends and colleagues from WWT, Jess McDonald, who we've been working on a podcast, a video podcast called Bohemian Swarm. We kind of riff off each other a little bit. It's a wonderful way. You should check it out. I'll drop some links here below. But these videos that I'm going to be sharing and uploading here are also for me to remain accountable, to make sure that I'm moving the ball forward, because it's so easy to lose focus, especially in this world, startup world. It's so much stuff competing for your time. So focus and execution is going to be my role. So with that, I'm just kind of dropping a quick little video here. I hope you join me, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. All right? This is Thomas Ott for Neural Market Trends. Signing off till next time. Peace.